Hi, I'm Tracy from Restore Beauty Wigs, and today we're going to wash a human hair wig. The products that I recommend to wash your human hair wig in is the Amika products. And Amika makes many different types of products, but I really like the Velveteen Dream shampoo and conditioner. And this one is the Velveteen Dream smoothing shampoo and the Velveteen Dream smoothing conditioner. I really like these products because this really smooths out the human hair wigs. Human hair wigs are usually processed human hair, and that hair sometimes can be kind of dry and kind of crunchy on the ends, and this really will smooth that hair out and make it feel really soft. So we're going to go ahead and get started here. So you're going to take your human hair wig, and this happens to be a lace front wig. So we're going to take a wide tooth comb and we're going to kind of comb through it, break up any hairspray or gels or anything that's in there and get any tangles out of the hair. Make sure that you get all the tangles out at the nape. You can use a brush too, but I like to use just a wide tooth comb. Just get all the tangles out, and then you're going to put your hand inside the wig at the top of the wig. And I always put my thumb on the part, and you're going to take warm, not hot water, and you're just going to wet that hair down. Start at the top. The lace is going to get dirty from your skin, so you really want to get that nice and clean with that water. So really get that saturated and just get that hair completely saturated all the way down to the ends. Really get the inside of the cap wet because that's what's up against your skin, and you want to make sure that that gets really wet and clean. What you don't want to do with your wig is soak it in water. Don't put it in a bowl of water and let that soak. Turn the water off, and then you're going to take your shampoo. And I usually use about a quarter size. Oops, that's a little more. And then I just kind of run it through my hands like that. And then again, you're going to hold the wig and you're just going to run that shampoo through the hair. And you're not, scrubbing really aggressively. You're just kind of softly getting that shampoo through the hair. Just, shampoo one time every 10 to 14 wearings. I usually wash my wigs about every 2 weeks, and that's if I wear it every day. And then you're rinsing really well. You're starting at the top and letting that water run all the way down the hair. Rinse really well. And again, you're using lukewarm to cool water. You don't want hot water. And then I usually go inside the cap with the water and really get that cap clean. If you have a lot of hairspray in your wig and you feel like the shampooing it just once is not enough, you can go ahead and shampoo it twice. But I usually will only shampoo once. And just rinse it until the water runs clear. If you think that you've rinsed it enough, I usually rinse a few more seconds. If you leave shampoo in your wig and then you dry it, it can get kind of sticky and kind of feel like there's a film on the hair. So just make sure you're rinsing really well. It can feel dirty if you leave shampoo in the hair. So I do offer a cleaning service. You can bring your wigs in to be washed and styled. You can just contact me if you want that service done. So it's rinsed, the water's running clear, and I'm going to just kind of squeeze it out. And then I'm going to grab a towel and I'm going to towel dry it a little bit before I put the conditioner on it. If you throw the conditioner on when the hair is completely soaking wet, the conditioner can't really soak into the hair. So I always kind of towel dry it a little bit. So I usually have 2 towels ready, one to do this and then one for the after drying. So then I'm going to take my conditioner. And you really don't need much because you're just putting it on the ends. So again, a little bigger than a quarter. Put it through your hands. And you're going to keep it off of the cap. You're just going to put it on the ends of the hair. And this is going to keep your wig feeling great and looking great for a long period of time. You know, the average life of a human hair wig can be 9 to 12 months or longer. It just depends on how you take care of it and how often you're wearing it. There's no guarantees on human hair wigs. You know, they can last a long time if you're wearing it a couple days a week. If you're wearing it every day and you're sleeping in it, it's not going to last that long. I always kind of brush that or comb that conditioner through the hair just to kind of distribute it with my wide tooth comb. And that kind of helps just to make sure that you're getting the conditioner all over the ends of the hair. And then you can leave this on 5-10 minutes if you want. Go do something, come back to it, rinse it. But we're going to go ahead and rinse it today right away. But you can, like I said, leave it on for a longer period of time. And we're going to start rinsing at the top. And again, you're using cool to lukewarm water. You don't need hot water. Just rinse really well. The main thing is, I cannot stress enough, just make sure that you're rinsing the shampoo out really well. Because that can really cause the hair to collect more dirt if you don't rinse the shampoo out enough. All right, so there's the rinsing. Give it a good squeeze. I don't wring it. I just kind of run my hands gently down the hair and squeeze it out. And then grab my towel and squeeze again. Just get all that moisture out. And then if you're going to style it, I kind of go inside the cap too with the towel. And sometimes I use kind of smaller towels, so I sometimes need a couple extra, but you can use a big bath towel if you want. And then the best thing to do with your wig to get the longevity out of your wig is to let it air dry. So we'll kind of just kind of comb it out and let it air dry today. But you also want to use a leave-in conditioner. And I really like the Wizard by Amika. Amika makes a detangling primer called the Wizard, and I love this. You don't need much at all. And it has some oils in it, so you got to be careful. Don't spray it where your floor, you don't want to get it on your floor. So I spray it over the sink, and you're just going to do like 1-2 pumps. That's all you need. I might do 3 just because I think I missed this side, but 3 pumps, that's it. It's going to help get the tangles out, and it's going to help protect against heat. If you're going to use a blow dryer, curling iron, all that kind of stuff. You can use an extra thermal protectant. The more thermal protectant you use, the better on this hair. Remember, human hair wigs and toppers are dead hair. So the more protectant that you use, the better on this hair. So I like the Amika Wizard because it has the detangling properties, and then it has the deep, the conditioner in it, and then it has the thermal protectant as well. So, and then you would put it on your little mannequin head or whatever you're going to dry it on. I like to just hang mine up. Oops, 2 heads on there. I hang it up like that, and I just let it air dry.